Hello kids, welcome back to our English class. So today we will study English Reader Class 2, Chapter 4, I Wonder Why. Learning objectives, curiosity leads to knowledge. यानी कि किसी चीज को जानने की जिज्ञासा ही हमें ज्ञानी बनाती है, हमारे अंदर ज्ञान भरती है. Understanding the surroundings, यानी कि हमारे आसपास जो भी चीजें हैं उन्हें जानना, उनके बारे में जानना और उन्हें समझना. I wonder why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen. मैं सोचती हूँ ग्रास यानी घास आखिरकार ग्रीन क्यों है, हरी क्यों है, और विंड हवा कभी दिखती क्यों नहीं. Who taught the birds to build a nest and told the trees to take a rest? चिड़ियों को घोंसला बनाना किसने सिखाया और पेड़ों को किसने कहा कि वो रेस्ट करें. Oh, when the moon is not quite round, where can the missing bit be found? जब चांद जो है वो पूरा गोल नहीं होता तो उसका मिसिंग पार्ट हम कहाँ ढूंढ सकते हैं. Who lights the stars when they blow out and makes the lightning flash about? जब आसमान में तारे निकलते हैं तो उन्हें कौन जलाता है और उनसे इतनी तेज रोशनी कैसे आती है. Who paints the rainbow in the sky and hangs the fluffy clouds so high? आसमान में रेनबो इंद्रधनुष पे पेंट किसने किया और फ्लफी क्लाउड्स यानी बादलों को इतने ऊपर किसने लटकाया. Why is it now do you suppose that dad won't tell me if he knows? तो अब आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि मेरे पापा मुझे ये सब नहीं बताएंगे बल्कि वो ये सब कुछ जानते हैं फिर भी. Find meaning, bit, part, flash a sudden shine of bright light, fluffy, soft and light like cotton or wool. Exercises. A. Answer the following questions. A. What do the birds do? The birds build a nest. B. What do the trees do? The trees take a rest. C. What does the lightning do? The lightning flashes about. D. What happened to the stars sometimes? The stars sometimes blow out. E. Why do you think Dad won't answer the questions? Dad won't answer the question because child is very curious to know about everything around her. F. Do you know the answers to any to the questions? Yes, these all are phenomenon. B. Find their meanings. A. Explore. Discuss in detail. B. Various, many. C. Taught, teaching. D. Blow, strong wind. C. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. The dash builds a nest. Bird. B. The dash is never seen. Wind. C. The dash are so high. Cloud. D. Dash always take rest. Trees. D. Tick the right options. A. This poem is simply a child's way of viewing the dash as something to wonder. First, world. Second, family. Third, school. World. B. In the poem, we can find that wonder that we once felt as dash. First, child. Second, adult. Third, baby. Child. C. We can see the dash of the child in this poem. First, curiosity. Second, knowledge. Third, childish. Curiosity. 7. Match the following objects in the column A with the shape in the column B. Column A, column B. Pillow, rectangle. Ball, circle. Party hat, triangle. Bird's house, hexagon. Let's enjoy the poem. Stars are not solid like the ground beneath your feet. Have you ever wondered what the stars are made of? The child in the poem asks various questions to his father. Prepare a list of questions that you are curious about. So kids, in this question, you will make a list of the questions you wanted to know about or you are curious about it. For example, why the trees are so green? Why moon is round? Why do we breathe? So you will make the list of these kinds of questions. Communication, writing skills. Children are very curious about the things they see around them. They have a lot of questions about these things. Prepare a list of questions that you are curious to know. One is done for you. So kids, in this question you will make a list again. आप किस चीज की लिस्ट बनाएंगे? आपके आसपास जो भी चीजें हैं, आप उन्हें देख के क्या सोचते हैं, आपके दिमाग में किस तरह से ख्याल आते हैं, आप उन क्वेश्चंस को बनाएंगे, लिस्ट बनाएंगे और यहाँ लिखेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I want to know why the moon shines so bright. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि मून, चांद जो है वो इतना ब्राइट कैसे शाइन करता है, इतना क्यों चमकता है. This is question 1. 2. Why the trees are so tall? Third, why do we dream? Four, why the water is transparent? So kids, you will write these kind of questions in given space. So here your chapter is finished and see you in next class.